Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're reviewing the viral app Ocean Funball. Is it real or fake? Can you really withdraw money, or is this just another scam? Let's break it down, step by step. Ocean Funball is one of those mobile games claiming you can earn real cash just by playing. It usually promises PayPal withdrawals, bonus prizes, and even gift cards, all for tapping some balls on the screen. Sounds easy, right? But let's go deeper. You start playing, collect virtual money quickly, and the app shows you're earning real money. But here's the catch. The withdrawal option is often locked, or you need to reach a suspiciously high threshold like $300 before you can cash out. This is where most users hit a wall. Once you get close to the withdrawal amount, the game slows your progress, asks you to watch more ads, or stops counting altogether. Many users report they never received a single cent, even after days of play. Checking Google Play reviews, you'll see hundreds of one-star ratings, all saying the same thing. Fake app. Component placement, wasting time. Zrenia, no payment received. That's a big red flag. If people aren't getting paid and there's no real support, it's likely not legit. So, is Ocean Funball real or fake? Based on gameplay, reviews, and payout patterns, this app is not trustworthy. It lures users with fake promises and floods you with ads to make money off your time. Don't fall for it. Want more app reviews and online money truths? Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, where we test it so you don't get scammed.